Hi guys, we had quite a bit of interest in the last four-wheel drive video that we did with the silver Ford Everest Trend. I'm in an Everest again, but this is the Titanium, which we'll show you. Last time James and I just pulled off the road, did some video, and I think it's over 30,000 views now, so we thought we'd come out. It's a bit of a wet day. We're in the Wallaroo State Forest, just north of Raymond Terrace in New South Wales. We'll have a bit of a quick look through the Everest and we'll just see what it's like. We're not going to do anything stupid because it's just the two of us. We don't have any recovery gear. It's a bit of a wet road. We just want to just see what it can do, and we'll show you the car. Thanks. So this is the Everest. It's got the same motor as last time, the twin turbo, the 10-speed auto. The only thing different, normally with the Titanium, you get 20-inch rims. In Australia, at least, it's a no-cost option to go to the 18-inch rims. So this got the 18-inch rims and the all-terrain tyres. Externally, it's just got a bit of bright work, the Titanium badge. We'll show you a few of the other features in the car, but that's pretty much it for now. It does have sunroof, main big panoramic sunroof, tyre pressure monitoring system, and a few other nice bits inside just to sort of make it look a little bit nicer than the base level. But that's the Titanium, so let's see what it's like off-road. Like light coffee.
Yep.
Righto, well, that was a fun hour or so. Hopefully we got some good video. I know we got a couple of times we got front and the back wheel off the ground, and I must admit, going up that steep rocky section in this wet weather did surprise me that we got up. Had to have a couple of goes, and I didn't want to do any panel damage, so there was a few spots we avoided, but overall, considering it's fairly stock, very capable. Would have been great with the lift kit. We did scrape those side steps a few times, and so it would have been nice to have it a little bit higher, but all in all, bit of a fun morning. Thanks.